First of all, listen to this comment by Kailash Kher.
कंप्यूटर को कौन चला रहा है? उनका मेरे राम चला रहे हैं। आप किसी भी अंग्रेज से राम बुलवाओ, रैम बोलेगा। कंप्यूटर में क्या लगता है? रैम लगता है। ठीक है, आज पूरी दुनिया कहाँ से चल रही नहीं, इनका दाता चला रहे हैं पूरी धरती को। तो इनका दाता लिखो, DATA। अब इनसे अंग्रेजों से बुलवाओ डेटा। तो इनका राम के बिना कंप्यूटर नहीं चलेगा और डेटा के बिना ये संसार नहीं अब चलेगा।
Singer Kailash Kher's resurfaced remark, "Computer can't run without RAM and the world can't run without Daaata," has let me convinced that IITs should be immediately rename themselves to Ishwar Institute of Technology. After all, why limit divinity to RAM alone when the entire computer dictionary can be decoded through religion? According to this new gospel of techno-bhakti, the CPU is not the central processing unit anymore, but the central puja unit, the divine heart where every ritual begins. Memory has two sides, RAM, now standing for Lord Ram, and Rome, officially read-only mantras, ensuring nothing corrupts except your karma. To connect devices, you no longer use USB, but the universal shank and bell, a direct plug-and-play to the Almighty. And even the Meta AI should be called Mata AI. The internet naturally runs not on the World Wide Web, but on worldwide worship. And the browser speaks in HTML or holy text markup language, with every link starting not with HTTP, but with Har Time Tulsi Puja. Coders are also thrilled to announce that Java has finally been revealed as Jai Ambe Wali Aarti, while C++ is Chalisha++, an upgraded devotional framework. Even Python couldn't escape. It now translates to Python Maharaj's Yog Sutra. Error messages too are finding spiritual depth. A 404 means God not found. Please recheck your devotion settings. While the dreaded blue screen is nothing but Kala Jadoo detected. To protect systems, the antivirus has been replaced by the Najarbattu firewall, which auto-updates every Tuesday. And of course, the ultimate shortcut, Ctrl-Alt+Delete, should be renamed as Control Your Desires, Alternate Your Bad Habits, Delete Your Sins. With such revelations, one can only expect Microsoft to release Vedas 12 instead of Windows 12, with every crash politely reminding you Bhagwan ki marzi hai. After all, if Ram is the memory and Daaata is the giver, then surely Shiva must be the ultimate restore point. Well, I'm a proud Hindu. I truly believe Hinduism is deeply rooted in science, but not in the way people with little knowledge brag about. If you truly want to see where science meets Hinduism, I would recommend you to read the Yog Vasishtha. It is a conversation between Lord Rama and sage Vasishtha, and it talks about the universe, the multiverse, the soul, the body, and countless other mysteries you can ever imagine. The book explains the creation itself is a projection of consciousness, that infinite universe exists within infinite universes, and that time and space are not absolute but relative. It says the world is like a dream, real only as long as the mind gives it reality. It also goes deep into the nature of the self, teaching that soul is eternal, untouched by birth or death, while the body and mind are temporary instruments. What amazes me is how this ancient text describes concepts like illusion, relativity of time, parallel universe, and the power of mind, things modern science is only now beginning to explore. At the same time, it gives very practical wisdom, how to overcome suffering, how to stay balanced in joy and sorrow, and how true liberation comes from realizing the oneness of everything. For me, Yog Vasishtha is the best example of how Hinduism blends spiritual wisdom with scientific insight.